Aytek Intelligent Cooling Solutions. With over 40 years of expertise in designing and manufacturing advanced cooling systems, Aytek Chillers has solidified its reputation as a pioneer in water chilling solutions tailored for industrial and commercial applications. Our journey is marked by a relentless pursuit of innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, culminating in our ISO 9001 certification from TÜV in 2013, a testament to our commitment to maintaining the highest industry standards. At Itech, we pride ourselves on offering a comprehensive range of cutting-edge cooling and tempering systems that not only deliver exceptional performance, but also ensure an excellent quality-price ratio. This unique combination has positioned us as the market leader in industrial cooling throughout Turkey. Our mission extends beyond merely providing cooling solutions. We are dedicated to proving that effective cooling systems can be both economically viable and energy efficient. At Aytek Cooling Systems, we welcome your cooling challenges with open arms. Our collaborative approach involves working closely with you to assess system loads and project priorities. Together, we will identify and select the most suitable cooling system tailored to your specific requirements, ensuring that you receive a solution that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. We are more than just a cooling systems provider. We are your partners in achieving efficiency, sustainability, and success in your operations. Trust Aytek to deliver innovative solutions that empower your business and enhance your competitive edge in the market.